Okay guys, so semua kat sini, can we start the class? Everyone here? Boleh mula, are you all ready? Last chapter form 5? Ready ya? Okay. Okay guys, first thing you all must know in this chapter, my friends got pelancongan, perpaduan and kesihatan for individual, then main tiba, jenayah cyber. Okay what that one? Shouldn't be that difficult. Ya lah, maybe not much to talk lah. That's one thing, not much to cerita tentang yang tu. Tapi tak apa yang dah lepas, what is done. So don't keep on thinking on that guys. Guys, focus. Always focus untuk goal kamu, SPM. Remember, banyak lubuk markah kat situ. Okay, the majority of the mark is in your bertulis. So jangan buat sesuatu yang silap kat bertulis. Dia akan cost 1 grade lah kat kamu. Okay, so whatever silap dan now, bukan saya kata tak penting. Penting. Dia akan bawa impact juga, tapi impact tu tak sebesar macam impact bagi bertulis. That's why I say always written sangat penting. Okay, so this chapter, right guys, tak tahu, setiap tahun berubah. Saya pun tak berani kata. Dia berubah dari tahun ke tahun. Okay, so guys, you must remember this chapter, transformasi dia berkait dengan menengah rendah, is related to lower form topic. Do you all still remember guys? Masih ingat tak? Topik ni sebenarnya lower form. Semua kat sini, everyone here. This is actually a lower form topic. Ya, form 2. Jadi asas tu semua datang dari situ. Okay, saya boleh bagi tahu lah satu summary macam tu. Okay guys, so this one, transformation. Okay, so Afika kata form 2, yes. Transformation. Okay guys, first I tell lah, dalam konteks SPM, in terms of SPM, prepare bab ni K2 bahagian B. Okay, sangat famous. I think kamu boleh lihat lah soalan trial, all the trial paper, they like to ask this one, kertas 2 bahagian B. Okay, kalau tak keluar bahagian B, let's say, dalam SPM kamu, second option, dia akan keluar kat bahagian A. Okay, bahagian A means less mark lah, sikit kurang markah dia. Tapi jenis soalan agak sama, about the same. Tapi bahagian B dia lebih, mendalam, more deep the question. Okay, so this is the first target, this is the second target. Third target, sangat jarang, tapi saya pernah nampak pun, I have seen this topic come out in K2 bahagian C. Okay, bukan mustahil lah guys, it can actually come out in paper 2 bahagian C, transformation. Okay, so take note. So first, kamu target untuk bahagian B, score the full mark. Okay, for transformation, because not that difficult. Ada you have to imagine a bit this topic, but if you can know how to do rotation, reflection, translation, enlargement, should be no problem. 4 perkara saja kena tahu. Okay, 4 things. Okay, so now, basically transformation, you learn from form 2 until form 5. Am I right? Got 2 topics, 2 bab. So form 2, let me tell you. Guys, never mind, I ask you all lah. Form 2, kamu belajar jenis transformasi apa? What type of transformation you guys learn in form 2? Can anyone tell me? List down for me. I rasa got 3. Can you all list down? Okay, very good. So mereka continue. All of this knowledge dia continue up till form 5. Tak berubah. Everything the same. Okay, translation, reflection, rotation. Okay. So now, apa yang dia tambah kat form 5? What does they add in the syllabus for form 5? Okay, form 5 basically, yes, enlargement, very good. Okay, so this is the difference guys, between form 2 and form 5, the major difference. Of course, under enlargement, you are introduced to count scale factor. Kamu kena tahu cari faktor skala. Okay, this is an additional thing lah. And also, one more thing, we talk about the formula lah in this chapter. Rumus dalam bab ni. So guys, can you all tell me how to count scale factor? Everyone here? Macam mana kira faktor skala? General idea. No need to be complex. What is the formula? Okay, image over object, length. Okay, kita bincang pasal panjang. Length image over length object. Okay guys, so scale factor kat sini, is it only positive? For transformation, adakah faktor skala hanya positif? Yes or no? No. Okay, can be negative also. Two options you have, positive or negative. Depend how the diagram. Macam mana raja tu dilukis, how the diagram is drawn. It'll be either positive or negative. Okay, so one more formula, guys. Can anyone tell me that you learn in this chapter? Transformation. Apa formula kamu belajar? Anyone? One more formula. Satu sahaja lagi. Okay, very good. Let me see ya. Kamu dah susun sikit. Sat. Mungkin betul. Let me check. Ya, terbalik. Okay. Yang asal punya, the original formula is this one. Luas image sama dengan faktor skala kuasa 2 kali luas objek. Okay guys, so this is all the formula you need to know. Two only. And dua-dua ni pun dibagi. Both is given in your exam paper. So no need to memorize. Okay, simple as that. Okay guys, are you clear up till now? Yang ni intro sahajalah. This is just an introduction about transformation. Okay, so next one. So now saya nak bincang sikit. I want to talk a bit on all of these 4 transformation. Give you all a summary. How to identify bentuk tu melalui transformasi apa? How to know the shape undergo what type of transformation? So very simple. Table. Okay, saya akan bincang from a few aspect. Okay, so first aspect, shape. Bentuk. Second aspect, size. Third aspect, orientation. Guys, do you all know the meaning of orientation? Everyone here? Dalam BM, kedudukan lah. Okay? Dalam term mudah, kedudukan. In English, if you want to understand easier, is position or direction. All the same. Okay? Semua yang sama. Okay? Differ macam mana bentuk tu dilukis. Orientation. Okay? Maybe I can add on lah so that you all easier. Orientation or position or direction. All of this is in the same category. So now I'll ask you all one by one. Okay. So guys, first thing, let's say we start with rotation lah. Rotation, reflection, what else? Translation, and then enlargement. Guys, I write short form because not enough space. Okay guys, rotation. Hello, finally you come. Okay, putaran. Does the shape change? Yes or no? Adakah bentuk berubah bila melalui putaran? Careful lah guys, we're talking about shape now. Does the shape change or not? Very good, no. So I put pangkah over here. Okay, very good. So next, rotation. Does the size change? Adakah size berubah? Of course, no. Okay, rotation, very simple lah guys. Kamu cuba putarkan calculator kamu. Rotate your calculator. This is rotation. Am I right? Adakah size berubah? Kalau berubah, saya takut lah. If it suddenly change, saya pun takut. Tak tahu dunia apa dah. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, so how about this one guys? Orientation, kedudukan. Adakah dia berubah bila putaran? Pasti. Okay, definitely when you rotate, pasti kedudukan berubah. Okay, berbagai-bagai kedudukan kamu boleh ada. Many type of position. Okay, so now kita pergi reflection. Pantulan. Reflection. Does the shape change or not? Adakah bentuk tu berubah? No. Okay, very good. Definitely bentuk won't berubah. Okay, how about size? Does the size change? No, also very good. How about the orientation? Kedudukan dia? Yes, of course change. Okay, so you can see guys, rotation, reflection agak similar in terms of all these aspects, exactly the same. Okay, so how about now guys, translation? Does the shape change? Translation? No. Adakah size tu berubah? No. Does the orientation change? Kedudukan dia? Yes. Okay, so you can see lah guys, rotation, reflection, translation, all these three ada ciri-ciri serupa, common characteristic. Okay, so senang nak hafal lah dan faham, easy. So now guys, how about enlargement? Enlargement, does the shape change? Adakah bentuk dia berubah? Refer pada bentuk asal. Saya tak cakap, yes, it's no actually. Bentuk asal, kamu kena bandingkan dengan bentuk asal. Bukan dari segi ukuran dia. Not in term of measurement. Okay, how it look like. First time kamu nampak, macam mana dia nampak. Adakah dia macam segitiga, tiba-tiba tukar bulat? If triangle change to circle, yes. Itu maksud bentuk berubah. Okay, that's mean by shape change. Okay, so now guys, size. Enlargement, berubah ke tak? Pasti. Nama pun enlarge, pembesaran, besarkan. Okay, become bigger, so size change. How about orientation? Kedudukan? No, tak berubah. Okay, enlargement, kedudukan takkan berubah. Sebab, kalau kamu besarkan yang ni, dia akan maintain dalam, you'll be on the same axis. Dia akan pada paksi sama. Dia takkan tiba-tiba besarkan macam ni. Boleh faham? Kamu selalunya akan ada, no, akan ada pusat. You will have a center. Let's say the center kat sini. Kamu besarkan, dia jadi lebih panjang macam ni. Okay, jadi orientation kedudukan does not change. Dia akan maintain sahaja. Okay, Afika? Understand guys? So this is the whole summary yang kamu kena ingat. Okay, yang special is enlargement. That's why kamu belajar kat form 5. Okay, semua yang sama kamu belajar kat form 2. Actually guys, mengapa sangat kurang punya orang? Saya pun tak tahu kenapa. Maybe semua letih kot selepas bertutur. Oh, so bad. See, someone betray you already. Okay, so next one. Okay, so what else? Okay, Naman, we go to the notes lah. I rasa tak banyak nak cakap yang ni, so we see about the notes first. Okay, so guys, first thing you all must know, congruent. Guys, what does congruent mean? Apa maksud congruent? Can you all tell me 2 characteristic congruent? Very good. Same shape, same size. This is the major point. Okay, sometimes the question will ask, guys, determine which is congruent. Mereka akan bagi raja kat kamu. Lepas tu tanya, yang mana adalah congruent? So you explain, penjelasan kamu is based on this. Same shape, same size. Bentuk sama and also size sama. Also, Steven, okay, guys, don't debate. Now it's class. Okay, jangan debate. All of you are friends here. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this one. So, guys, you can see over here the side that is same. Okay, if you refer to this diagram lah, contoh AB is same as RQ. Am I right, guys? Okay, so first, I ask you first. This object bentuk ni melalui transformasi jenis apa? What transformation it undergo this shape? You have to imagine a bit lah. What are transformation? Okay, yeah, correct. Wait, let me see, guys. Let me just see whether it's rotation. Let me see, wait. Yeah, I think correct lah. I think it's rotation. Yeah, putaran. If 2 shapes are congruent, are they considered similar? Yeah, that's how I was thinking. Reflection maybe also. But there is no axis here. So sangat susah nak katakan. Tak ada paksi. So it's hard to tell. Okay. Are they considered similar? Haida, do you mean similar in terms of what? It's just congruent means same shape, same size. That's all. Maybe combined transformation. That's why we cannot see. Kalau ada graph, is easier. Cartesian plane, sorry. Sata Cartes, you must see. Okay, so namailah. I don't ask that question. Sangat susah. Okay, exam definitely will give you a Cartesian plane, guys. Don't worry. Mereka takkan tanya macam ni. What type of transformation is this? Definitely cannot. Why? Sebab kamu kena tahu pusat kat mana. How can you know where is the pusat, guys? How to describe the pusat? Cannot, right? Tak ada coordinate, no coordinate. So definitely question tak akan tanya macam ni. Okay, so never mind, we just go to AB equals to RQ. Okay, so you can see this one and this one sama panjang. Why? Sebab labeling. Can you see? Only one line. So that's why it's same. Okay, and then the sudut you all can see also. Guys, one thing, sudut. Sudut tu mempengaruhi apa? What does the angle influence? Shape or size? Anyone? Angle. Yes, shape. Okay, the length, the CC will influence the size. Okay, this is how mereka boleh katakan congruent tu same shape and same size. Okay, angle dia akan pengaruhi bentuk dia. Okay, panjang dia akan pengaruhi size dia macam tu. Okay, so then BC equal to QP. Kamu boleh nampak lah dua garis yang sama. Okay, sorry, yang ni 3. BC equal to QP. Alright, lepas tu sudut pun kamu boleh nampak lah, different color, different angle. Alright, so this is just the general meaning lah of congruent, nothing too much. Alright, so then this one, guys, do you all know this? This one mereka suka tanya also, objective. This one mainly objective, kertas 1, focus for this one. Okay, guys, do you know how they get all this? SSS, SAS, ASA, how they get all this? Anyone know? Siapa tahu? This one objective suka tanya. They'll ask you this type of triangle is what type of triangle? Apa jenis segitiga ni? Okay, saya terangkan. Concept very easy. Okay guys, focus on the first case lah. Yang ni. Guys, adakah kamu nampak? No, not trigo. Nothing. Very simple only. Do you see any angle in this diagram? Adakah kamu nampak apa-apa sudut? No. So guys, if no sudut, dia ada sisi sajalah. S. There is only side. So guys, do you now understand why the name of the triangle is SSS? Okay, because there is no angle. Tak ada sudut. That's why dia adalah CC. Alright? So this is how they get SSS. So guys, next one is a bit different lah. Very simple also. Guys, berapa sisi, berapa sudut kat sini? How many side and how many angle you have in the second picture? Yang ni. 2 side, 1 angle. So guys, can you all predict what is the name of this type of triangle? What combination? Yeah, SAS lah, macam tu saja. You just refer how they label the diagram. That's it. Kamu lihat macam mana labeling. So you see S, A, too thick already. Okay. S, A, S. So kamu baca macam ni. You read this way. S, A, S. Same like this. S. Oh, kamu tak boleh Oh, Afika. Kamu maksudkan S tu mana satu? Nak maksudkan akronim ke atau satu lagi benda? Saya tak tahu sekarang. Kamu tanya apa? Dua-dua. Okay, I refer to the first one. Saya tak mau terangkan kenapa dia bukan satu lagi S. Okay, S because kamu tak boleh lompat macam ni. You cannot lompat. You must follow an order. Kamu kena ikut urutan dia. Okay, tak boleh ASS. Tak ada urutan. Kalau ASS, dia akan jadi macam ni. Salah. Okay, kamu kena baca ikut pusingan jam ataupun lawan pusingan jam. SAS. Kalau lawan pun sama. SAS juga. Okay, both also the same. Alright. So now guys, can you all try? This one is what? What type of triangle is this? Anyone? Yes. Very simple guys. A, S, A. Baca macam ni. A, S, A. Okay, very good. So, tak perlu confuse lah. This one, very simple only. So, next one. Got 6. Total 6. Guys, you all know why got 6? Mengapa ada 6? Got an interesting concept to explain to you all. Very simple lah guys. You got 3 letter. Am I right? Kamu ada 3 abjad. SAS. Guys, macam mana kamu susun 3 abjad ni? How do you arrange 3 letters? You learn at maths, right? 3 factorial. 3 factorial mean what? 6. That's why you got 6 lah. Senang macam tu. Tak perlu kira huruf yang sama lah. Don't count the repeating letter or identical letter. Jangan kira yang tu. Okay, so you get 6 in total. Alright. So now guys, yang ni. What type of triangle is this? Apa jenis segitiga yang ni? Anyone? AAS. Okay, very good. AAS. Okay, let me check. Yeah, correct. AAS. Okay, next one. This one, guys. Yang ni senang sajalah. What type of triangle? This one AAA dan SSS very simple. Okay, kamu boleh lihat labeling saja. Okay, guys, I want to ask you one additional question. Can anyone tell me, segitiga macam ni, this type of triangle, what is the name for this triangle? Apa nama? Kamu boleh lihat sudut dia. Yes, scalene. Okay, maksudnya semua sisi tak sama. Each of the side length is not the same. Why? Sebab semua sudut dia ada nilai yang berbeza. Okay, different value of angle. Okay, BM, I'm not really sure. Afika, do you know the name for scalene translation dalam BM? Saya pun lupa di scalene. Oh, tak sama sisi teruslah. Okay, segitiga tak sama sisi. Okay, okay lah, lebih senang nak hafal juga. Okay, scalene triangle. Okay, one more additional question, guys. Can anyone tell me, segitiga macam ni, this one lower form, revision. Is this obtuse, acute, or one more is what? Right angle triangle. Yang mana satu? Yes, acute. Okay, guys, dalam segitiga yang semua sisi dia berbeza, in a triangle where all the sides are different, pastinya all the angles will be acute. You cannot find an obtuse angle. Takkan ada sudut cakar. Okay, this is another recall for your lower form. Okay, so all the angles are acute. Alright, so next one. So this one, guys, can anyone tell me what type of triangle is this? Apa jenis segitiga yang ni? Yes, very good. S, A. You read like this, baca macam ni. S, A. So that's why you get SSA. Yeah, if you notice, right, the pattern actually, if you want to follow, go from left to right, looks like correct. Or you can say anti-clockwise, lawan pusingan jam. Alright, you can see all the example actually follow. Okay, even the previous one. Okay, you can see over here, it all go anti-clockwise. Alright, so now guys, are you clear on this triangle thing? Any problem? For those not clear just now, you no need to memorize all these lah, guys. Okay, kalau kamu faham the diagram, if you understand the diagram, all of these, don't go and waste your time and hafal. Okay, 1 mark only definitely. This one they won't ask paper 2, jangan risau. If come out paper 2 pun 1 mark only. Okay, so why you want to waste so much effort for 1 mark? Okay, might as well go study your sejarah. Am I right? Luangkan lebih banyak masa untuk subjek sejarah. Okay, so we finish 5.1, congruent. Alright, so now we go into enlargement, pembesaran. This is the new topic yang kamu tak belajar kat form 2, enlargement. Okay, not difficult lah, it's very simple. Alright, so this one. So you must know, guys, when you do enlargement, there must be a common ratio for all the side. Dia kena ada nisbah sisi sepadan. Okay, when you enlarge something, everything must enlarge with the same ratio. Okay, that is the rule. That's why you have a scale factor. Am I right? Scale factor will show you this one, the ratio of the length of the sides. Okay, dia akan tunjukkan nisbah sisi, faktor skala tu. So that's why you get all of this. Alright, so guys, can I ask you lah, between these two, can anyone tell me which one is the object, which one is the image? Yang mana satu object, mana satu image? Anyone? Oh, I ask you lebih senang lah, image yang mana? Between these two triangles, which one is the image? Yang mana satu image? Everyone here. Can you type out? Some more? I want to see some more. Others? The rest? I want to see what majority think. What you all think? Which one will be the image? Mana satu akan jadi image? Okay, some more? Okay, guys. So remember, the correct answer is actually Haida's answer. Both can be the image. You all get tricked already. Kedua-dua pun boleh jadi image. Because let's say this my object. Saya boleh kecilkan objek jadi macam ni. Guys, remember, this is also called enlargement. Am I right? Yang ni pun adalah pembesaran. Tak semestinya pembesaran tu dari kecil kena jadi besar. Because your scale factor can be, let's say 1/3, which means it becomes smaller. Okay, dua arah dia boleh jadi. Not only from small to big to small also can. Okay, is image of our object, and up there they put, oh, okay, you have a point. All right. But this one they're not talking about scale factor. Okay, this one they're just talking about the ratio only. Okay, they never mention scale factor equal to PQ over AB. Okay, Ashwina. So we actually don't know which is the object and image. So that's why both can be the image and both can be the object. All right, that's why question, if you realize, right, guys, transformation, they will always say PQR is the image of ABC. Am I right? Soalan akan kata macam tu kan, PQR adalah image ABC. If they don't tell you that statement, guys, macam mana kamu nak buat all your transformation? Am I right? If they don't have that statement, you cannot do the whole question because you don't know where to start. You always have to start with object. Am I right? Kamu kena mula buat transformasi dengan object, then go to the image. Okay, that is the normal process lah. Alright, so this is the explanation. Okay, so guys, I want to ask you kebat lah. Let's say my scale factor is equal to 1. Can anyone tell me, does this undergo enlargement? Adakah ni melalui pembesaran? If my scale factor value is 1, anyone? Yeah, very good. Basically, no change lah. Tak ada apa-apa yang jadi pada objek tu. Okay, nothing happened. Okay guys, I want to ask you one more. Can scale factor, adakah faktor skala tu boleh sama dengan kosong? Can it be a 0? Think. Cuba fikir. Can you boleh buat objek jadi kosong? Disappear lah. Okay, definitely cannot. There is no scale factor 0. Tak ada faktor skala kosong. Okay, but by exam won't tanya lah macam ni. This is understanding purpose only. To make you understand. Okay, kalau faktor skala kosong, yeah, I think like that lah for you all, so that kamu boleh pun berfikir sikit luar kotak. Am I right? Knowledge. Okay, because panjang objek atau panjang image tak boleh kosong. Kalau kosong, adakah objek tu wujud? Definitely no lah. The object is not existent if the length is 0. Am I right? Tak ada objek. Macam mana nak kira? Okay, so this just extra lah. Okay, so next one. So you need to know enlargement is one of the transformation where all the object, the points on the object lah, it will move from a fixed point, titik tetap, in a, this is the keyword guys, wait, I use different color. Let me enlarge it. This one, nisbah mala, it must have a common ratio when you enlarge. You cannot just simply enlarge. Okay, wrong. You must have common ratio. All right. So the ratio depends on the question again lah. It can be anything based on the question. All right. And then you must know that that fixed point is called the center of enlargement, pusat pembesaran. Okay. And the fixed ratio is called scale factor. So now they introduce to you lah two terms, pusat pembesaran and scale factor. One more thing guys, before I want to continue, I want to tell a few tips lah, where you try to describe the transformation. Sun is out of the way, but I just tell now. Okay guys, when they ask you describe transformation, do you all see this question guys? Pernah nampak yang ni, huraikan transformasi, very famous lah, section B. Kalau transformasi keluar, this question sure is there. Okay, and it carries a lot of marks. Okay, sangat banyak markah. So let's say I start with reflection. So guys, can you all tell me what is the key point I must have when talk about reflection? Apa benda kena ada dalam jawapan bila bincang pasal pantulan? What's the key? Yes, the line of reflection. Coordinate, basically no need. Either, because reflection is on a line. Okay, kat garis, not on a coordinate. Okay, you can, the important thing is the line or maybe the axis. Okay, paksi pantulan tu. Okay, sometimes it's not only like x equal to 6 or y sama dengan 2. It can also be y equals to x plus 2. This is also the line of reflection. Jangan ingat x equal to something, y equal to something. Yang ni sangat senang. This one is easy. But if you want to find out the last one, this one is harder. Okay, because you must count the gradient, kamu kena kira kecerunan, you have to find the y-intercept, pintasan y. So this one is the easier one lah. Alright, so next one, reflection only one info, so very simple. Okay, so second one, how about rotation? This one got a few info, so can anyone tell me what are the necessary info bila tulis pasal putaran? Very good, angle first thing. Second thing, yes, direction. Third thing, kamu kena ada sudut arah. Yes, center of rotation, pusat putaran. Make sure guys, all of these three must appear in your answer. Okay, because each one satu markah. So if you leave out one, habis. Okay, center of rotation. Only three total lah. Okay. Yeah. And one thing guys, about the angle. Let's say my angle is 180 degree. Kalau sudut dia 180 darjah, adakah arah dia penting? Is the direction important? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? No. Very good. Okay, tak penting. Only 180 degree ya guys. But if you want to state also can. Kamu boleh nyatakan. Okay, clockwise or anti-clockwise, dua-dua pun diterima. Both is accepted because 180 boleh jadi dua-dua. Okay, both also can. Alright. So this is the thing lah for angle. And now center, guys. You all asked me, right, just now, center, pusat, how to determine. Am I right? So now I share with you all lah. So basically, first step, I always say connect the corresponding point. Later I will show you with question, but this is the step lah. I write out for you. Easier, senang nak hafal. Connect the corresponding point. Maksudnya sambungkan titik sepadan on object and image. Do you understand the meaning for this sentence, guys? Adakah kamu faham maksud dia? Any problem in understanding this? Maybe I can draw an image for you lah. No problem, can understand? Maybe I draw for you. Let's say I got triangle. Then later it become like this. Okay, this one is before, sebelum putaran. This one is after, selepas putaran. Let's say now guys, A, B, C. Okay guys, can I ask you, what point is this? Boleh bagi tahu label tak kat saya? What is the labeling for this point? A prime. Okay, very good. How about this one? This one careful a bit, guys. What is the labeling for that one? Yes, C prime. Very good. This one will be B prime. Okay, so what I mean by connect the corresponding point on image and object is like this. Maksudnya, A, you connect to A prime. Okay, of course use ruler lah guys. Kena guna pembaris. Here I don't have ruler, so not so accurate. Alright, and then C, you connect to C prime. Okay guys, in this case, sangat mudah. You can see already. Can you see the intersection guys of the line? Boleh nampak titik persilangan dia? In this case, this will be the center. For this example, untuk example macam ni saja jangan guna. Tak semua example kamu, dua garis kamu akan bertemu. Saya hilang, kena belilah yang baru. Okay guys, remember when enter SPM, don't tell me you don't have compass. You must enter SPM Maths with compass. Kena ada jangka lukis dengan kamu. Nanti kamu guna apa guys untuk lukis yang ni? This one, how you gonna draw? Don't tell me freehand. Kamu tak boleh guna freehand untuk lukis yang ni. Okay, you're gone basically. Banyak markah akan hilang. Because if you simply draw, examiner tu boleh tahu. Pemeriksa can notice. If you simply draw this mark, or this mark come from the jangka lukis. Sebab pemeriksa akan guna jangka lukis untuk semak jawapan kamu. Okay, they will use a compass to check how you draw the line. Is it fake or real? Tak boleh guna pembaris saja ke? Pembaris untuk mana satu? Got form 3 finding me to ask for calculator. You will be the next one lah, Steven. Let's say you guys never bring calculator for SPM, you go and find lah all the form 3, form 4. Fika, pembaris kamu maksud kat mana? This one you use pembaris lah. Yang ni bila sambungkan titik kamu guna pembaris. Oh yeah, right. Means you ask from your friend only lah. Garis titik. Yang ni ke? Yang saya lukis ni. Oh, yang tu tak boleh guna pembaris. Is a curve. Dia lengkung. Kamu kena guna jangka lukis. Must use the jangka lukis. No other choice. Okay. Only in this question, guys, you can directly see the COR. Pusat putaran is over here. Okay. Other question won't be so direct like this. Alright. Pasti bentuk yang keluar dalam SPM won't be like this lah, guys. If you get a triangle, right, kamu syukur sangat lah. You all very lucky. Okay, I don't think triangle will come out for transformation. Dia akan bagi bentuk yang lebih kompleks. Maybe like this. Maybe like this, I can show you. This kind of shape. Maybe possible. Okay, like this or any other shape lah. Maybe like this also can. Yang ni pun boleh. Ada banyak bentuk. Okay, I don't know which will come. Okay, guys. Are you clear on how to determine the center? Can understand lah. Okay, if you understand lah. What type of rotation is this? Can anyone tell me? Apa jenis putaran? How many darjah? What's the angle? Anyone? Yeah, 180. So guys, remember, usually kadang-kadang 180 you can direct see the center. If it's 90 degree or 270, you cannot directly see the center like this. Kamu tak boleh nampak secara terus. Majority of the question, kebanyakan dia uji tentang yang ni, 90 and 270, not 180. Mengapa mereka tak uji 180? Why they don't test you on this, guys? Anyone? Why they don't test you on 180? Why they want to test on this one only? Yeah, correct. Basically, it's easy. Dia sangat senang untuk tentukan. So, they don't want to make your life easy. Mereka tak mau bagi soalan senang. Okay, so this is much harder. 90 and 270. Because kamu kena tahu arah. You must know the direction correctly. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. This one tak kisah arah. Okay, so it's more simple. Okay, guys. So, we go next one. So, how about translation? Can anyone tell me the key points for translation? What must I have in my answer? Are you sure it's coordinate form? You must write in this form, guys. Yeah, vector or matrix. Translation by for -3. Okay, atau bentuk matrix lah. Coordinate vector pun boleh. Okay, so this is how the keyword you must have. Okay, translation of X and Y, kamu isi when you find. Translation very easy to do lah, guys. Sangat senang. You just see how many it move left, right, up, down. Okay, tahu arah, senang. Alright. Then how about the fourth one? Enlargement. Can you all tell me the key point? Pembesaran. Got 3, I think. Scale factor, yes. Center of enlargement, not rotation. Okay, this enlargement. Okay, pusat pembesaran. Anyone know the third point? Siapa tahu point yang ketiga? If you want to be more detailed, you can write this point. Already got Haida, scale factor. What's the one more point? Enlargement don't care about direction. Tak kisah pasal arah. Coordinate come under here, Steven. Center of enlargement is your coordinate. Kamu kena nyatakan coordinate di bawah pusat pembesaran. This one include coordinate. Like negative or no negative. Yes, correct, Haida. Third point you can say is either a positive or negative enlargement. Okay, kamu boleh nyatakan yang ni. If you want to be more detailed lah. Okay, these are the 3 points. Bagi lebih tak apa, jangan bagi kurang. Okay. This is the next question. Between positive and negative. Yeah, you can put in the scale factor. Let's say you don't want to put in the scale factor. Okay, good point. Guys, let's say lah, I write like this, my answer. This one is answering technique menjawab. Okay, guys, I never continue lah. Actually, must continue. But can I ask you, is this right or wrong? Adakah ni betul ke salah? Everyone here. Is this a good sentence? No, very good. Don't repeat. Jangan ulang. When already negative enlargement, you can just say 3. Because you already say negative. Kalau kamu cakap negative ke awal, just put 3. Yeah, coordinate also got lah. I never write. Okay, add coordinate. Sorry, not coordinate. At center of enlargement. Let's say 1, 3. Okay, so this is what I mean. All right, let's say you don't want to put positive, negative. Okay, saya akan bagi tahu. This one first answering technique. If you don't want positive, negative, make sure kamu nyatakan kat faktor skala kamu. Adakah dia positif or negative? Let's say positive or negative 2. Okay, so this is technique lah. Alright, so yeah. Jangan bagi dia berulang macam ni. Don't make it repeated twice. Okay, dia akan bawa maksud sangat pelik lah. It's a bit weird. Alright, so now about Afika's point. Let me see. I rasa akan ada tunjuk kat sini. Let me just see. Positif. Nak habis dah. Positif, negatif. I rasa akan datang Afika. Tunggu saya go to sikit. Okay guys, so now we talk about the scale factor. Okay, this one quite easy lah. Already you told me. Image bahagi object. Okay, this is the formula. And then K, faktor skala, can also mean jarak titik sepadan image dari P, jarak titik objek dari P. Guys, what is P? Can anyone tell me what is P? Apa maksud P kat sini? Anyone? Apa yang diwakili oleh huruf P tu? Yes, very good. Center, pusat. Okay, sebab jarak tu diukur dari pusat ke sesuatu titik. Okay, this is an alternative lah. Or, okay, mana satu kamu nak boleh guna. It should get the same answer. Kamu sepatutnya dapat jawapan sama. Okay, but usually 90% you use this formula lah. Okay, 10% you use this formula. Okay, majority will use this formula. Much easier, lebih senang. Okay, why? Because guys, kalau pusat kamu salah, if you determine your center wrongly, jawapan ni akan jadi salah. Okay, your scale factor will be wrong. So yang ni, this the bahaya lah of the second formula. First formula, tak bahaya sangat lah if you count the length accurately. Kalau kamu ukur tu betul, okay already lah. Alright guys. One more thing. I want to ask you all this one. Guys, in the exam, you will be given Sata Cartes. Am I right? Cartesian plane. So how to count the length? Anyone know? I try to draw accurately as possible lah. Does anyone know ukuran yang ni kita anggap dia berapa for one square? Satu kotak kecil tu? No lah. Now we counting length. Yeah, 1 times 1. Ingat guys, satu kotak kecil is 1 times 1 luas. Okay? So let's say my line is like this. Can anyone tell me apa panjang garis ni? No need to give in decimal lah guys, because this one is agak-agak only when you count for enlargement. Can anyone tell garis yang saya lukis tu panjang dia berapa? Actually kamu boleh bundarkan ke 3 lah. Yeah, you can put 3. Kenapa? You see over here, Afrika. Yang ni 1. Bila dia rentas satu kotak, kamu anggap 1. And then another kotak 2. Satu lagi kotak 3. Macam tu. Okay, that's why kita dapat 3. Okay. If you want, yang ni tak perlu. Okay, you no need to use Pythagoras theorem apa-apa untuk kira panjang. Because scale factor, kita tak mau perpuluhan. Okay, we don't want decimal yang panjang-panjang. It must be a fixed number. Nombor bulat atau pecahan. Okay, that's why we don't use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, tak perlu. Alright, so just estimate only. Oh, jangan. Okay, tak apa nak kata, bazir masa saja. Okay, because mereka tak mau sangat tepat. No need to be so accurate. Okay, sebab yang ni bawa bab pembesaran. Okay, under transformation or enlargement. Jadi, just take the rough estimate of the length is enough. Okay, guys. So, this is one more tip lah about the enlargement. Alright. Now, guys, this one still under positive enlargement. Next slide, negative. Okay, guys. So, this is the main characteristic. T is the pusat. So, guys, can you all see? Mengapa yang ni adalah pembesaran positive enlargement? You can see the position. Image dan objek tu adalah di hadapan pusat pembesaran. Okay, the object and image is in front the center of enlargement. Can you see it, guys? The similarity untuk semua ketiga-tiga example ni. So, this is how we get positive enlargement. Okay, pembesaran positif. Can you see? Sebelah yang sama dengan objek, sebelah sama. Okay, it's exactly on the same side of the object, the pusat. Okay, this one is the object lah, basically. Alright, the blue one. Okay, so can you see? This is the scale factor. Ini adalah faktor skala. Mengapa yang pertama lebih dari satu? Because the image is greater than the object. Bigger lah, lebih besar. Lepas tu, the second case, same size. Sama size. That's why the scale factor is 1 lah. And then, kalau lebih kecil, if it's smaller, is less than K, less than 1. Okay, guys, do you notice something? Mengapa mereka tak guna simbol sama dengan? Can anyone explain to me why they don't put equal to sign at the bottom? Anyone can give a reason? Mengapa hanya kecil daripada sahaja simbol tu? Anyone can tell? Yes, cannot be 0, cannot be 1. Skala faktor untuk case yang ketiga tak boleh kosong, tak boleh satu. Sebab if it's satu, it should be this one. Same size of object and image. Sama size dua-dua. Why cannot be 0? Sebab kamu ada objek. Okay, if your scale factor 0, maksudnya your object itu khayalan sahaja. Imaginary. Okay, tak ada apa-apa macam tu dalam SPM. Okay, guys? So this is for positive. Are you all clear or not? Adakah kamu jelas? Okay, the shape boleh berubah. Okay, it can be any shape. Tapi konsep dia ingat macam ni. Pusat, objek, image. Ataupun pusat, image, objek masih boleh. Okay, kalau pusat mula kat kanan pun boleh. Pusat, image, objek atau pusat, objek, image. Masih sama. Okay, it can be left or right. Okay, doesn't matter. As long yang mula, the first thing that start is the center, pusat. Objek, image, dia boleh tukar kedudukan in between. Okay, guys. So now we go the negative. Okay, Afika, untuk pembesaran negatif. Can you see now? Di mana pusat tu? Kat tengah-tengah, in the middle of the image and object. Ini cara kamu dapat pembesaran negatif. Okay, guys, this is how you get negative enlargement. This one maybe 20% of the cases lah dalam semua soalan. Majority dia uji tentang pembesaran positive enlargement. But doesn't mean they cannot come out with a question with negative. Masih boleh. Okay, still can. Okay, guys. So the concept exactly the same. Kamu boleh lihat. Exactly the same scenario. Okay, this one lebih kecil dari size object. You can see lah, image is smaller than the object. Okay, kalau image tu lebih kecil, that's why you get this value. Guys, you must remember negative. Let's say negative 0.5 and negative 1.5. Mana lebih besar antara dua ni? Which one is a bigger value? Careful lah guys, negative now. Which one bigger value? Yes, yang ni lebih besar. Common mistake. People will say negative 1.5 tu lebih besar. Wrong. Okay, it's kecil. Okay. So, this is the concept lah. Then, sama size. You can see it. Kamu boleh nampak dengan mudah. Lepas tu, lebih besar. Okay. Oh, wait lah guys. K less than -1. Start. Oh, okay guys. Don't care about the negative. Okay, lihat magnitude saja in the transformation. Okay, sorry. Kamu nampak magnitude saja. Just look at the value. Why they say lebih besar? You just see the magnitude 1.5. Negative tu automatically ditambah. Okay, secara tak langsung, because your center is in the middle. Okay, automatically tambah. Because when you count, right guys, can length get negative value guys? Adakah panjang tu boleh dapat nilai negatif bila kamu ukur terus? Cannot be, right? Negatif tu kamu tambah kat jawapan akhir sebab kamu sedar pusat tu kat tengah-tengah. You realize that the center is in the middle of the image and object. That's why you add the negative. Negative tu tak datang dari jalan kira kamu. Okay, it's negative add only. Bila kamu tengok gambar aja. Okay, you analyze the diagram, then you buat kesimpulan whether negative or positive. Okay, so you look back at the value, nilai dia untuk tentukan mana lebih besar, mana lebih kecil. Okay guys, are you clear? This is how to identify lah positive and negative. Okay, everyone here? The rest? No problem, So I proceed. Okay, so this is how we determine the image and object for an enlargement. Cara menentukan image dan object. Okay, so first thing you must identify the center of enlargement. Yeah, correct. As long K lebih besar dari 1, image is greater than the object. K less than 1, image lebih kecil dari object. Tak perlu kisah positif atau negatif pembesaran dia. Okay, don't matter positive or negative enlargement. Alright, so then you determine the scale factor. Okay, faktor skala. Okay, this one is to get back the image and object. Alright, yang ni reverse process, terbalik. Okay, then they ask you to draw a projection of the line from the center to the corner of the object and image. Okay, then you draw back the object and image with the same shape, but by using the scale factor given. Okay, guna faktor skala tu. Okay, usually they don't ask this kind of question lah. Mereka akan bagi objek dan image pada kamu, suruh cari pusat. This one is they give you the pusat, ask kamu cari objek dan image. Okay, terbalik sajalah, but ini bukan fokus SPM lah. Usually SPM don't ask like this. Okay, so this one is the formula, you all know already. Alright, so yang ni akan diberi. Okay, this one is the combined transformation. Okay guys, this is what you learn lah in Form 5. Kamu ada 2 transformasi yang berlaku serentak. Okay guys, so now you must remember B dulu baru A. Don't confuse. A, B, jangan kamu kata mula dengan A lepas tu B. Common mistake. Selalu mula dengan yang sebelah kanan. Start from the right, go to the left. Okay, senang nak ingat, kamu ingat admaths kamu. FGX guys. Everyone here, FGX, kamu mula F ke G? Which function do you do first? Yes, G. Same concept. Kalau lupa, ingat balik this one. Okay, this concept used to explain this one. Okay, that's why B mula, lepas tu A. Alright, so you can see over here lah. You do the B, then you get the image pertama means primary image. Okay, then you do the A, you get the secondary image. Kedua, or you can say the final image lah. You will have 2 image guys, 2 jenis image. Image primer or image pertama dengan image akhir ataupun image kedua lah. Okay, so this one, let me see. Object di bawah, object bagi image di. Okay, this one is the reverse process lah. Okay, this one no need to focus. Usually soalan akan tanya arah macam ni saja. You will do like that. Okay, they won't reverse usually. If they reverse also, you must reverse your transformation. I can give you contoh lah untuk lebih senang. Okay guys, let's say lah, they give you the coordinate of the image. Katakan image kamu adalah 5, 6. This is your image. Okay, then they tell to you, A is rotation 90 degree clockwise, center. This is an example lah. Kalau soalan tu tanya terbalik, okay, kalau. And then B, let's say reflection. X equal to 3. Okay, so they say that kamu dapat image ni dari gabungan transformasi AB. Okay, you get the image from the combined transformation AB. Now they ask you, cari coordinate B. Find the coordinate of B now. Terbalik kan, usually you go from B kepada B prime, lepas tu B prime prime. Am I right? So now they ask you from B prime prime, go back to B. Okay guys, so I want to ask you, between these two transformation, mana kena mula dulu? Anyone? Now your transformation, Sat. Guys, don't confuse Kamu mula B only when kamu pergi dari objek ke image. Sekarang image pergi objek, maksudnya kamu kena mula A. Okay, reverse. Sebab normally kamu buat B baru A. Am I right? Jadi A tu akan menghasilkan image kamu. Am I right guys? Transformation A akan bagi kamu your final image. So now you have your final image, coordinate 2. Now nak patah balik. So definitely you have to go to A first lah. Kamu kena pergi A dulu. If you go B, dah out dah susunan dia. It's not correct. Okay, you have to go to A first. So guys, can I do exactly the step like this? Boleh tak saya ikut 100% kalau saya nak pergi from image to object? Everyone here? Yes, no. So what must I change here guys? In the statement, apa kena ubah? Very good. Anti-clockwise. Remember guys, don't always think kena ikut 100% because usually question will ask you object to image, 90% case. But 10% question boleh tanya image to object. So you must reverse thinking lah. Okay, so if clockwise, anti-clockwise. Tapi sudut jangan berubah. Don't change the direction. Don't change the angle. Center pun jangan berubah. Don't change the center. Alright? So how about this one guys? A dah complete, lepas tu B. So B perlu tak saya ubah? Everyone here. Do I need to change paksi pantulan tu? Yes, no need. Tak perlu ubah pun. Okay, paksi dia akan kekal. Dia takkan ubah when you even go opposite. Okay, the axis will not change one. Okay guys, do you get the idea? How to go from image to object? This is the step lah. And one more thing, let's say lah, translation. Let's say tadi lah saya ganti salah satu tu dengan translation. Phi negative 3. So guys, if I go from image to object, yes, change the sign. Kamu tambah negative. Okay, you change the sign. Then kamu dah terbalikkan dah lah. Okay. So this is the example lah for you all. Okay guys, are you clear until now? I think next one is okay, good. So now one more thing for you all to take note. Okay, they say that when you do from object to image, okay, kamu pergi dari object to image under PQ, the image that is produced takkan sama dengan QP. This is an important point. Okay, you won't get the same image if you PQ or QP. It will be totally different. Okay, so you must remember this point lah. Okay. And then let me see. Let me see. Satu. Okay, this one basically it terangkan balik this one lah. Okay, explain back this whole statement. Okay. So actually this one mereka takkan tanya. This is just for understanding only. Okay, because you just need to draw the image only, nothing else. Kamu kena lukis saja. Alright. So next one. Okay, this is the summary lah guys. This is the summary for you all. Okay, for the whole chapter. Kenapa B? Oh ya, tesselasi, betul. Okay guys, now it's tesselasi. Guys, you all like this Kamu semua suka tak this tessellation? Okay, this one they like to ask also. Objective, structure also can. Guys, famous question. They will ask you the meaning of tessellation. So very sorry, you have to memorize. Kamu kena ingat. Objective they can ask, paper 2 also they can ask. I see one state, keluar paper 2, state the meaning of tessellation. Okay, so must memorize. Okay, famous question of definition. Okay, so keyword, bentuk berulang, recurring shape in English, occupy the full space without any empty spaces or overlapping. This is the translation. Okay, keyword is recurring shape or repeating shape. Fill up an empty space, or you can say no empty space lah. Recurring shape, no empty space, no overlapping. 3 point. Okay, you must have it in your answer when you explain tessellation. Alright, very simple guys. You look at your floor tile. Okay, kamu lihat jubin kat rumah kamu. That is an example of tessellation. Does it have empty space guys? Your tiles in the house? Adakah dia ada apa? Ruang kosong? Ya, definitely not lah. Kalau ada ruang kosong, habis lah. Kamu tak boleh jalan kat rumah kamu pun. You cannot walk in your house sebab ada lubang-lubang, empty space. Okay, definitely no empty space lah. Okay, so that's an example. Okay, so you can see here. That's why this is tessellation. No empty space. Okay, same shape, recurring shape, no overlap. Tak ada pertindihan. Okay, this one is rhombus. Okay, this is the example for rhombus. You can see also. Okay, kalau kamu nampak lah, can you see guys? Sebenarnya you actually form a cube. Am I right? You form kubus dari gabungan 4 rhombus. Okay, so this is how tessellation can create interesting pattern. Okay, interesting shapes. When you combine bentuk-bentuk 2D, it can form actually a 3D. Okay, so this is the example. From rhombus, you get cube. Okay, because rhombus semua sisi sama panjang kan? All the length must be same in rhombus. That's why cube have all length also same lah. Because cube, they combine all the rhombus. Or you can say square also lah. Okay, segi empat sama pun konsep sama. Okay, only thing is, square is like this. Am I right guys? Segi empat sama, face like this. Rhombus, dia akan macam ni.